Hey everyone, my name is Mohammad Nadeem and you are watching my YouTube channel Know Your Car with Mohammad Nadeem. So guys, finally the 2022 Camry is out here in the white color, and we will be comparing the 2022 Camry to the 2021 outgoing Camry, which was available for sale in India from 2019 and it was available till 2021. So let us quickly start the comparison, and today in this video we will see one by one each and every difference which has happened in the car. So basically this is a minor change in the Camry which has happened, and to be more precise, there are total 7 changes, 5 in the exterior and 2 in the interior. So let us start with the front. So if you see the front, the bumper shape has been changed and the air dam design is also changed, and now it is of black color instead of the grey color in the outgoing Camry, which you can see right now in the frame. Again, the shape of the bumper has been changed, and the second change which you will notice is the chrome boomerang shape on the bumper, which is again in the frame right now. If you see the old Camry, there was no chrome on the bumper. So these are the first 2 changes. The third change, if you notice over here, the chrome on the grille was in continuation in the old Camry, and now in this new Camry it is split type chrome, one chrome on each right as well as left side. So these are the changes in the front of the exterior. Now let us quickly move to the side. So if we move to the side, you will notice the newly designed alloy wheel, which is 18 inches diamond cut alloy wheels in dual tone black as well as chrome. Now if you see the old Camry, the alloy wheel was 18 inch, but it was single chrome silver color alloy wheel, as you can see right now on the frame. Now quickly moving to the rear of the car, there is not much changes in the rear as well, but if you notice the tail lamp shape is exactly same, but now it is more blackout, as you can see right now, which is adding to the sporty appearance of the tail lamp, and it is going well with the alloy wheel also. If you notice over here, the tail lamp was more of crystal clear type in the old outgoing Camry. Now quickly moving to the interior, as we have discussed, there are 2 changes in the interior. So the first change which you will notice in the interior is the music system. Now it is standing protruding outside music system, and one thing which was in demand by the customers, now it is coming with the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay in the new Camry 2022. Again, one more change which you will notice, and the last change in the Camry, is the graphic design. So if you see over here, it is nice 3D printed black color wood pattern design on the new Camry, which you will notice on the dashboard, again on the gear lever and the surrounding of the gear knob, which you can see right now. It is very nicely printed, and again the armrest color has also been black. So these are the changes which has happened to the new Camry 2022. Hope you have liked it. If anything, please do comment. I will definitely answer if any query you are having in the new Camry. Thank you so much.